Here we are at the zoo. Let's identify some animals and count how many syllables are in their name. Oh, here is a panda bear. How about starting with the word panda? How many syllables in the word panda?
Panda, panda, panda. 2 chunks. Panda has 2 syllables.
Super! Panda has 2 chunks or 2 syllables.
Oh, look, there's a creepy looking bat.
How about bat? How many syllables in the word bat?
Bat, bat. Bat is a small word. It is all 1 chunk. It is 1 syllable.
Great job! You got it!
Oh boy, there is an elephant.
So, how many syllables in elephant?
L-E-Fin. Elephant has 3 syllables.
You got this!
I like the zoo. And zoo has only 1 syllable.